Have you ever felt that astrology can describe what's happening but still leaves unanswered the deeper question, why is this happening in my life? Many people approach astrology in order to understand themselves, their relationship, or the timing of events in their life. And astrology can already offer a great deal at that level, but there comes a point when a deeper question begins to emerge. Why am I living these experiences, and what is life trying to develop through them? This is where esoteric and evolutionary astrology opens a much deeper perspective. At the International Initiation School, esoteric and evolutionary astrology is studied as a way of reading the birth chart as a relationship between personality, soul, energy, and consciousness. The chart becomes a living map showing how signs, houses, planets, crosses, rulers, rays, nodes, and transit reveal the movement of consciousness through time and space. This means that astrology is not only about character description or outer events, it becomes a way to understand what lies beneath the surface of life. And in this approach, the zodiac signs are read as state of consciousness. The houses show the areas of life where the soul seeks expression through the daily experiences of life. The planets are understood as function of consciousness and as mediator between personality and soul. Through this deeper understanding, astrology offers a much more rispetto da through. Through this deeper reading, astrology offers much more than information. It gives orientation. It helps you recognize your talents, your recurring challenges, your evolutionary direction, and the experiences through which life is asking you to grow. Esoteric astrology allows you to understand the deeper meaning of experience. Evolutionary astrology helps you read the dynamic path through which life is leading you towards greater maturity and authenticity. This is why studying esoteric and evolutionary astrology can be so important. It offers a deeper understanding of the planet and zodiac sign as evolutionary keys. It helps you see what's shaping the surface of your life. It allows you to understand what your soul is attempting to accomplish at this point in time. And from there, a different kind of choice becomes possible. You begin to relate to your life with more awareness, more responsibility, and a clearer sense of direction. You can align yourself with your deeper purpose instead of remaining passive in front of the events. In our esoteric and evolutionary astrology courses, as part of the IIS method, we guide students step by step into this broader reading of the birth chart. The path begins with the chart as a symbolic map of the soul, then deepens into planets, rulers, rays, nodes, aspects, and cycles, so that astrology becomes an instrument of self-knowledge, inner orientation, and consciousness development. Should you be interested in studying astrology in a deeper, more inner and evolutionary way, these courses can offer you a structure and meaningful path. You can check the course calendar on the International Initiation School website or contact the school office for information about the school training and the next available dates.